What's going on, everybody? I'm Daniel, as you know. If y'all don't mind, please thunder slap that like button and thunder slap that subscription button. It would mean a lot to me. I really appreciate all the love. Let's get to the video. What's going on, everybody? I'm Daniel, and welcome back to Frosty Reviews, baby. We are back at action. We're here to throw down, throw them back, and walk a little bit sideways. All right. So today we got a special beer coming for y'all. So today's beer comes from B-52 Brewing Company out of Conroe, Texas. That's right north of Houston. That's where I'm stomping around these days. Shout out to my good friend Sammy G for donating the beer to the channel. A little bit about the beer. It is called WHEEZE the Juice. It is an American pale ale, okay? So it's not an IPA. It's the type of beer that is a little, it's like an IPA, but it's just a weaker version of it, basically. It's not as hoppy, not as strong, and it's still a really decent beer. It just doesn't have the pack of the punch like the IPA does. So this is a DDH pale ale, which stands for double dry hopped. And now that is a denoting process of supercharging hop flavor. So a lot of sought after craft beers are DDH from the research I have done and the knowledge I've gained over the years of reviewing craft beers. This has an ABV of 5.5%, so it's a weaker, but it should be pretty dang tasty. It is rocking some citra hops, so it should give it that nice citrus flavor that we're looking for. Okay, so today's hat comes from reddirthatcompany.com. That is a badass hat. The bison, probably my favorite animal of all time. Today's shirt comes from, you guessed it, Zero Foxtrot. This is a back piece. I don't know if y'all can see that all the way, so I'll skate up just a tad. Bleed glass. Let's go. All right. Let's bring the can up for y'all. All right. So, B-52 Brewing Company. So you got this dude throwing down some juice, it looks like. DDH Pale Ale, 5.5% ABV. Yeah, there it is. You know, I'm fortunate enough that enough people can stand to be around me. So I have a lot of friends, or people I call friends. Sammy G, he's a good dude. He's one of the better dudes. So again, Sammy, appreciate it, brother. Shall we? Let's go, baby. Oh, it's a bit hazy. It's a bit hazy. Oh, darling. Hello, beautiful. Oh, man. Man, oh, man. Hell yeah, it's freaking hazy, bro. Man, that looks great. Looks great. Smells great. You can smell that DDH, that double dry hop process. Smell a little bit of citrus. I'm excited. Cheers to all my Frostos and Frostettes. Now that is a tasty beverage. It's pretty damn good. It's very smooth. it's a solid beer, smooth from start to end. You start going, you start drinking it, and the citra hops start enriching your mouth, and the citrus really bites in to the taste. And then it has that good, I don't know how to describe it, but I call it like the hazy taste. You know how most hazy beers have a specific taste to it that I don't know how else to describe it, but other than that. So it has that going for it, and it's not hard at all. It's actually a really smooth beer. Yeah. So, I like it. Sammy, you're right, man. It's good. Sammy's been in a lot of places, done a lot of shit, and he always tells me that, you know, everywhere he goes in the world, you know, or where he lives, I should say, for, you know, an X amount of time, there's always that one beer that you find at that place that you can't find anywhere else in the United States, right? Well, here in Texas, he said this is that beer. That was like his first really great craft beer that he loved, and he would throw it or mention it to anybody to try. And I very much agree with that statement. Pretty freaking good, dude. It's good, smooth, great. I can slam these all day. That is fucking crushable, bro. Man, I wish I had more of them. That's good. It's really good. Well, I'm gonna grade this sucker. Oh, out of 10, give this for a pale ale. Yeah, 8.7. A high 8. That's what, it's good. Very much recommended to anybody. Maybe people who don't like IPAs and they like an IPA tasting beer that's just not as strong and not as hoppy. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! This is the one. This is the one. Man, it's good. It's good. It's good. There you have it. WHEEZE juice from B-52 Brewing Company out of Conroe, Texas. Check them out. And always, stay frosty.